If we go jogging, what do you want?
Who do you
What
want
do
to
you want
push?
Mama push?
Do you want Daddy to push?
Who to push?
What? Do you want Daddy to
baby
push?
girl. Tell Mama what you need. Who pushed? Who pushed?
Should Daddy push the jogger?
Mama.
Mama
Mama
what?
do what?
Push.
Mama what?
Mama what?
Push. Mama. Push.
We want Mama to push. Oh, you want Mama to do all the hard work. Okay, Mama. How about Mama push some of the time? Okay? You want Mama push? Okay, baby girl. Mama push some of that. Whoa, where's Drew? Oh my God. Mama push, okay?